Want to print multiple pages per sheet in Microsoft Word? It's simple. First, open your document and press Ctrl+P or go to File, Print to access print settings. Under Settings, look for the Pages per Sheet drop-down menu. Click it and choose how many pages you want per sheet. Options include 2, 4, 6, 8, or more. If your document has multiple pages, selecting 2 pages per sheet will shrink 2 pages onto 1, saving paper. For better readability, adjust the page orientation under Layout by choosing Portrait or Landscape. You can also modify margins by selecting Page Setup at the bottom. Once everything is set, choose your printer, preview the layout, and click Print. If needed, test with a single page before printing in bulk. And that's it. You've successfully printed multiple pages per sheet in Word.